Well, you know it's trimmed.
Yeah, it's almost perfect. A couple of clicks on aileron.
And you know it looks pretty balanced. Just going by one off the bat.
That's smart. Hey, are you going up and down again? He goes, yeah. And I go, see my Seagull over there?
There you go, Dan.
There you go. Actually, already no black. It came out white. Oh, man. Holy.
Did you, what is it, like maybe 12 ounces?
Something like that. Very light. Yes. That's not 100% successful. Yeah, really good.
Oh no, don't do that. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Just keep extending it down that way. There you go.
You got it. You got it.
He's leaning forward against the around the guy.
He doesn't need to see it.
We're good. You've been flying this for years, man.
I'm on high rates right now.
Whoa, there we go. Perfect. You got him to poop yet? I know. Okay. But I was taping that guy yesterday, Raul, over at El Dorado, or 2 days ago, and he was zooming, coming in like 150 right over my head, and I told him after I said it's better if you're out at a distance. It's hard for it. If it's right over me, it's a shitty camera shot because you're having to swing your camera all the way around. Or if it's just in front of you, you can just go like this, and it's a lot easier. He dropped me when he dropped me twice because he came in so low. I literally had to hit the deck. I was like freaking out. Crazy, man. He's got that damn. It weighs like 5 pounds. It's all glass, and it's freaking hauling ass. I like it. I don't know what to think of it.
I wait for that damn hawk to come around.